everyone, welcome to another video on Google Ads. Now this will be a quick video showing you how to edit keywords in Google Ads campaigns. Now this is very simple, but before we get started, comment down below if you want to see more videos just like this. So let's get started. Basically, what you want to do to go and edit keywords in your Google Ads campaign is to first find the campaign. So you need to navigate to all campaigns view and click on your campaigns right here. Now you will need to navigate to the correct ad group. So click on ad groups and go to the ad group and select an ad group that you want to add keywords for. Now from here, as you can see, you will need to go to the keywords section on the keywords tab, and you will need to enter your keywords right here. Now here you can enter pretty much all the keywords you want. So if you already entered keywords previously, you can go and edit those keywords and you can rename them or remove them completely and add new keywords as well right there. So as you can see, you can search for the keywords, obviously, for example, plumber. And right here, you can have a broad match, phase match, or exact match. Now, these are some of the instances or differences between an exact match, phrase match, or broad match as well. And as you can see, broad match lets you your ads show for the widest variety of search queries. On the other hand, you have exact match, which lets you ads show only on search queries. And you have phrase match, which meets in the middle. For a phrase match keyword, your ads will not trigger for as wide as a variety of searches. So as you can see, these are basically the fundamentals. Obviously, we can create more videos on this. However, this is how to edit keywords in Google Ads campaigns. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.